Hi, my name is Savo. I'm the founder of the company named Armanov, where we make sport shooting and reloading accessories. We are visiting Las Vegas SHOT Show in 2 months, and we will be showing our SpidErgo grips. If you want to show our grips on the real gun, this would really be complicated because of the airplane travel and so on. So we decided to make a 3D printed replica of a gun where we can attach our SpidErgo grips to. I will be showing you how to scan a model of a gun, and later we will print it on a 3D printer. Because of the reflection on the gun surface, we have to use this vanishing scanning spray. We removed the grips from the gun because we wanted to print the gun without the grips, so we can attach the aluminum grips later on the 3D printed model. We have to scan both sides of the gun and later align it in scanning software. After that, we have to remove the background from the scan. And merge both sides of the scan to get the complete object. To do that, we have to create 3 points. Now we can see how the aligned model looks like. This 3D model is made of small triangles. If I zoom in, you can see there are thousands of triangles. Okay, we will send this 3D model to the printing software, where we will print this file. This looks really nice. We should just clean the printed support. I'm really impressed with the details and everything that's printed, so we will now try to clean it and get the piece out of this. We cleaned a support now, and it looks really nice. Okay, so we will now remove the grips from the real gun. As you can see, they're quite similar. Let's remove the grips. Wow, this looks really nice. It's a really good fit. Okay, I'm really satisfied with the result. Now I will print 2 more prints of this gun, because we have 3 sizes of the grips. We have the small grips, the medium grips and the large grips. This contour that you see is the medium size. That's what fits to me the best. And I will try to print another 2 models so I can put the small size and the large size. We printed 2 more models, and now we will attach 2 more grips. Here we have the orange one. These are the long small, and these are the black long large. The grips come with the screws, and you can see that contour is really thick. The custom screws are included with the grips because we want to make this hole smaller. If you use the large bolts, this hole must be larger and it's ugly, so this is cosmetic touch. A small one. Here you can see the difference. In the thickness, and customers can really try what grip suits them best. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks. Bye.